It's count o'clock time! Gangnam Style! Pupunta kami ng Fushimi Inari and yung sikat sa kanilang pagkain doon ay etong mochi and strawberry. Kyoto is famous for their mochi. What is mochi?
A mochi is a sticky rice strawberry.
Very good. A sticky rice flour pastry.
Oh, oh. What is that one?
I like the texture.
That
Can we
yummy.
chewy?
That is like goody.
This is a chocolate. It's matcha. I'll have
What
this.
is?
It's so soft.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's so good.
I think I'm not hungry
Ano
anymore.
yan?
The mochi and strawberry. Wala custard.
I think I'm not hungry anymore.
Yung totoo. Oh my god. Ito yung walang ano. Sorry.
Walang drama.
Mochi, walang drama. Mochi and strawberry lang.
Hoy, mami,
Wait. Wait lang. Naguluhan na ako. Wait.
Si Dabus to
Masarap to.
what is this?
Tikman natin yung chocolate. Wait.
Isa papaps equals
I think
Clear winner.
isa
Yeah.
Strawberry mochi.
tatlo papaps.
No.
clear winner. Mas gusto ko yung strawberry and mochi. That's it. No flavor.
In fairness, this was 600. This is 400.
Mangoes
But mas okay sa akin yung simple.
plus
Mas malasa. Mas malalasahan mo yung
isa
strawberry and then mochi.
isa mini mangoes plus
The mochi
Plus,
here quality is very high.
Naririnig niyo yung chef.
tatlo mini mangoes equals
Winner, mochi and strawberry. Plain mochi and strawberry. Okay.